Can't be out here bleaching knots every day. I just
Listen long enough, you can love me.
Hi ladies and gentlemen, I am back for another video, and guess what? It is Wine and Wigs Wednesday. Clink, 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 clink. Your girl's back. Ow, ow, ow. Why am I out of breath? I just ran to the kitchen and it's like 10 steps away. Like, girl, get to the gym, get some cardio. Whew. This wine right here is a Riesling. Now, Riesling is kind of sweet. It's a little bit closer to Moscato, but not too sweet. It is the Barefoot Riesling. It's only like $5. She's got a sticker, which means she's good. Anyway, let's get into this hair. Y'all see this hair? Y'all know I rarely style hair like curls and stuff like that, but I wanted to do something different and I wanted to see how this hair would perform. Oh my God, I love this hair. This hair is from onlyrely.com. Now, Only Rely is an online hair store where you can buy wigs and you can buy weaves and bundles and packages and all that stuff that all these stores have. This hair is the Brazilian body wave hair. It's a 360 lace frontal wig, so you can wear it up because there's lace all the way around the head. I didn't adhere the wig to the back, so I won't be doing that. This actually is 130 density. I want to challenge that because it doesn't feel like 130% density. 22 inches, it's a natural color. This one came with bleach knots. Now, I will say about those bleach knots that the bleach knots only stop like right here. It's not bleached all the way back on the frontal. It's not bleached at the back. And they're lightly bleached. They're not extra bleached, but they're bleached enough to where you don't have to do it yourself. And I didn't do it this time because, like I said, I got a full-time job, girl. I got things to do. I got a man. Okay. Can't be out here bleaching knots every day. I want to go ahead and show you how long this hair is in the back. So let me go ahead and turn around so you can see it. This hair has a whole bunch of body. I love this hair. If you want to see what I did to get this hairstyle, now my camera did cut out. I'm going to briefly show you how I got the curls, but if you want to see what I did to customize this wig and make it blend in and look the way it does, just keep on watching and I'll be back. So we're going to start off by using the L'Oreal Magic Root Cover Up. I used the dark blonde color. But I think I need to use a darker one. This one comes off a little bit gray, but it works good enough to tint the lace. Now we're just going to cut off the lace. We take our time and make sure we just kind of cut around without cutting the hairline. We did it on the back side as well. As you can see, I have my natural hair in finger coils. My hair is definitely growing, so what we're going to do is protect it and put it under the cap. I'm going to use a wig grip and a cap. And I'm just going to add the Got To Be Glue gel to my hairline and blow dry it until it's tacky. I make sure I blow dry it on cool because if you blow dry it on hot, it's never going to dry. It's going to be gooey. So you just want it to be sticky like tape. So we're just going to go ahead and add the wig, place it, and then place it onto the gel. This hairline was easier for me because I have more of a straight hairline. So I just placed it right onto my natural hairline. And any areas that were missed that are lifted, I'm just going to take some gel to the end of a rat tail comb and then lay it down with the end of the rat tail comb. If you use your fingertips and it makes the gel melt, it's better to use an object to lay that lace down. So now that it's laid, what we're going to do is conceal that hairline. The lace tinting didn't really match my skin tone perfectly, so I'm using a Pro Conceal Concealer and I'm just blending that into the hairline and getting rid of that foundation line that's right there on the hair, and parting the hair where I would like it to be parted and starting to just make sure this hair lays down perfectly. I found that this is a difference between a hair laying and it just sitting on your head. So we're just going to curl the hair. I lost this footage, but I'm just wrapping the hair around the barrel and letting it loose after like 15 to 30 seconds. This was a really quick curl, and I did this all over the head in the same direction, which ended up working for me. I also lifted the front side of the hair because y'all know I like a little lift. It makes it look more natural. And I used the Got To Be Glued spray to set the curls as well as lift up that hair on the front of my head. And just kind of dry the hair out by lifting it up and stuff like that. I don't know what you call it. I'm also going to use the Pro Conceal Concealer to highlight that part, which makes it look natural. And that's it. What do y'all think of this hair? Do you love it? I am in love with it. The hair is so soft. I didn't need to trim the ends. If you want to see how I got this makeup look, I definitely can show you. It's a black owned sort of makeup look along with a mine and stuff like that. So if y'all want to see it, y'all just let me know down below. I do want to do makeup looks because I think I know what I'm doing these days. If you guys like this video, please comment down below. Please hit the like button. Please subscribe. Hit that post notification bell so you can see every single time I post. I love you, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, grab your wine, girl. Clink, clink, clink. Y'all, it's afternoon. I'm doing way too much. Anyway, I love y'all. Bye.